Chloe Veitch launched to fame on Netflix reality show Too Hot to Handle. Since then, brunette Bombshell has seen her star soar, and she is now back on the box in Celebrity Hunted 2022. Chloe Veitch is a reality star and InfluencerCredit, Splash. Who is Chloe Veitch? Chloe is a 22-year-old model who hails from Essex. She is a reality star, who has appeared on numerous high-profile shows like Too Hot to Handle. Chloe is also an influencer, and boasts 1.9 million followers on her Instagram. She keeps her social media updated with sexy selfies, and you can follow her at Chloe Veitch Official. When was Chloe Veitch on Too Hot to Handle? Chloe took part in the first ever series of Netflix dating show Too Hot to Handle back in April 2020. The show followed 10 young, hot singletons from around the world who came together in a tropical paradise for what they thought would be the most exotic and erotic summer of their lives, but there was a twist. These commitment phobes who love a casual hookup had to give up all hanky-panky for the entire retreat if they wanted to win the $100,000, £79,000, grand prize. Chloe was a big hit with fans on the show and enjoyed steamy dalliances with both David and Bryce, but failed to couple up with anyone. However, this didn't stop her still winning a share of the final prize. What else has Chloe Veitch appeared in? Too Hot to Handle certainly helped launch Chloe's career as a reality star. Since then, Chloe has appeared on The Circle and has tried her hand at presenting. In 2022 she appeared on Celebrity Hunted.